In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Google Forms. If you're creating a survey, quiz, or sign-up sheet, a little visual polish goes a long way. A thoughtful background color can reinforce your brand, make your form feel more inviting, and improve readability. Today, I'll walk you through a quick, clear process to change the background color in Google Forms, and I'll share simple tips so your choices look great on any screen. First, open your Google form in your browser. Make sure you're on the editing page where you can see your form title and questions. If you've just created a form or you're returning to an existing one, the steps are the same. Give it a moment to load so the toolbar at the top appears. Now look to the upper right corner of the top bar for the theme icon. It looks like a small painter's palette. Click it to open the theme panel on the right side of your screen. This panel controls the look and feel of your form, all in one place, so if you ever want to adjust fonts, header images, or theme colors later, this is where you'll come back. Inside the theme panel, find the Color section. This is where you adjust the overall color accents in the background. Click the Color option to open the available choices. You'll see a set of swatches, and depending on your header image or theme, Google may even suggest coordinated colors. These suggestions can help you keep everything consistent without spending time on design decisions. Next, select your background color. As you click each option, your form updates immediately, so you get a live preview. Choose a color that keeps text easy to read. Lighter backgrounds usually work best for dense forms, while slightly richer tones can add personality to shorter forms or announcements. If you're using a brand color, aim for a shade that provides good contrast with black or dark gray text. Remember, high contrast is key for accessibility and helps everyone read your form comfortably. There's no save button here. Your changes are applied automatically. If you don't love what you picked, just click a different swatch to try another look, or return to your original color the same way. If the theme panel is taking up space, you can close it after you've made your choice. Your settings will stay put. And that's it. You've updated the background color of your Google form in just a few clicks. With the theme panel, you can revisit these settings anytime to refine your design as your form evolves.